The St. Mary police are investigating a shooting incident at St. Mary High School in Highgate during the institution after sports jam session, which left one man dead and 4 others nursing gunshot wounds. Dead is 28-year-old Fabian Needham, a pump attendant of Cumberland address in the parish. Reports are that Needham got into an argument with a group of men, said to be from the neighboring community of Capture Land. It is alleged that Needham flung a glass bottle at them before running into the crowd. He was reportedly chased by the group. One of the men reportedly pulled a handgun and opened gunfire, hitting him in the upper body. The suspect subsequently fled the scene. The police retrieved 7 spent casings from the crime scene. The injured persons, including a 60-year-old and 18-year-old, were taken to Portmore Hospital, where at least one of them was admitted for further treatment. The school guidance department, in a circular in the parents' WhatsApp group, said we had a good sports day and after sports session until 8 p.m. where a serious and unfortunate incident occurred. While no student was physically hurt, our entire school family has been traumatized. Investigation into the incident is ongoing. A man was fatally shot by an off-duty policeman after he reportedly mowed down a 16-year-old boy and a 25-year-old man following an altercation in Ayrshire, South Manchester on Wednesday. Police identify the deceased man as Kemar Clark, 24, a Mason and a resident of Lancaster District in the parish. It is alleged that Clark got into a dispute with men at a fun day at Winston Jones High School on Wednesday. When the event ended about 8 p.m., Clark reportedly got into a white Toyota Axio and used the vehicle to mow down the teenager and the man. It is believed that Clark was intoxicated. Sources claim that one of the victims was flung onto the vehicle during the incident. 2 bikes were also damaged. Further reports are that the off-duty policeman intervened and tried to intercept the Axio by stopping the vehicle. Clark allegedly swerved the vehicle towards the policeman. The cop reportedly opened gunfire on Clark. Clark and 2 others were injured. 2 other injured people were taken to the hospital where Clark was pronounced dead, while the others were admitted. On Thursday morning, unmanned roadblocks were mounted in Ayrshire. The police have since cleared the road and are maintaining a strong presence in the community. The Independent Commission of Investigation is probing the incident.